The process of finding roots can be expanded to cube roots. Finding the cube root of a number or an expression is the inverse of cubing that number or expression. The cube root of 125 is 5 because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. The cube root of y cubed is y because y times y times y is y cubed. To simplify cube roots in which the radicand is not a perfect cube, follow the same two-step process that you use for square roots. Write the radicand as a product of numbers, one of which is a perfect cube. Find the cube root of the perfect cube. All right, well, this time we're not dealing with square roots, so let's talk about some perfect cubes. 1 cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed is 27. 4 cubed is 64. 5 cubed is 125. If we get any bigger than that, we'll do it in the calculator, okay? I don't think that you'll go many over that, at least not with this practice set that we're doing, okay? So example B has been worked out for us. We're going to dive into these last examples. Notice that each one of these has a cube. We're doing the cube root. These are not understood square roots. So A said the cube root of 24. Now, I had 1, 8, 27. 27 is obviously too big. So let's go with that 8. What number times 8 will give you 24? 3. What's the cube root of 8? 2. Make sure when you write this answer, you put that cube root back on there. You got to leave that index of 3. So this is going to be 2 cube root of 3. Let's take a look at B. B says the cube root of 54 z cubed. Well, I know it's not 1 or 8. Well, what about 27? 27 times 2 is indeed 54. And z cubed is its own perfect cube. What's the cube root of 27? 3. Cube root, oops, I forgot a piece. Let's take a moment. Let me erase that real quick. I didn't mean to write this just yet. Let me go back and erase that part. I forgot to bring the z out. Sorry, guys. So, cube root of 2. There's a 2 left over. So we got 3z cube root of 2. And C. C, we're going to have cube root of 40 b to the 4th power. All right, we're going to break that 40 down into 8 and 5 because 8 is a perfect cube. We're going to break down those b's into b cubed and b by itself because that would make b to the 4th power. Well, we already know that the cube root of 8 is 2. I know that the cube root of b cubed is b. And that leaves me with the cube root of 5b. So that's 2b cubed root 5b. On to the next set of answers. Make sure you get a chance to write these answers down.